Wagwan YouTube, welcome to my upload a video every day campaign just to mess with YouTube and get some views. So to start off my upload a video every day campaign, this is a video response to Smiley. Smiley's a good friend of mine. She and her husband is having a push-out burnout competition. So let me see how much push-ups I can do because it's been so long since I've been to the gym. Sorry, my arms are getting marred up, but let me see how much I can compete with Smiley in push-ups and get. Alright, this is my burnout, so don't laugh. Let's count together. Ready? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Whew, still going. 18, 19, 20, 21. 22. It's been so long since I've done push-ups. I think I'm talking too much. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Give me time, I'm still working on it. 28, 29, 40 push-ups. Boy, Smiley, I did just as much as you. But anyways, everybody on YouTube, keep watching, comment, favorite, rate, the whole 9 yards. And P.S. my new channel I'm putting to the sidebar. So subscribe to that in case this channel get deleted. Because I'm going to be relentless. Look out for dancehall songs. Lord, I can't even breathe.